Hello friends, I am FIDE instructor Pranjal Fukan. Today in this position we are going to learn what we must not do in a certain position. Beginners often face difficulties. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to proceed in a position. So I will be taking out positions from different games and give you some small examples so that you can understand how to proceed and what not to do in a chess game. For example, this position, very interesting position. In this position, black pieces was played by a beginner. The opening was Ruy Lopez. So in this position, it seems white is having a very strong position. He is attacking all the light color squares of black. But if you think very deeply, there is no such advantage in this position. White is only trying to make black confused so that black plays some weak moves and he can take advantage. In this position, black could have played d5, a strong move. This will disconnect the white bishop and the white queen, and it will stop further attack on the black's king side. But black played f5. This is not a good move. 1. This move is making your king side more weak, opening up the king side. So we must not play any move which opens our king side until and unless it is very important. Next, black overlook a simple idea which is called pin of the knight with the queen. This is normal pin, and the best move in this position is bishop g5. So beginners have to pay attention to the small and very important ideas of a chess game. So in this position, the small idea which black overlooked was the pin. Now what happens? The knight on e7 is under attack. Defense is only one queen. So we must need two defense to neutralize the attack. So black has to play rook e1, only move. There is no other alternative. So in this position, a good player can find out some checkmate threats. I am not saying it is a checkmate, but there are some threats. So white has to proceed, white has to take the initiative and try to give checkmate to the black king. So white played the brilliant move bishop f6. Now black cannot capture the bishop because queen into f6 and it will be a checkmate. So this is a very simple trick. So after bishop f6, what to be done? The rook on e8 is a kind of trap because the rook cannot move. The knight will be captured by the bishop or the queen. Now black replied with queen c8. This is the important position for white. White will have to find some nice move so that he can keep his initiative in the attack. Can you find a move? You can pause the video. Those who got the answer, very good. Those who have not got the answer, for them, queen f7 is the brilliant move. We don't need to exchange the queen here, or we don't need to take the pawn here. Queen f7 is a very nice move. It is attacking the bishop on g7, also attacking the knight on d7. Black's position is ruined. He cannot defend everything at the same time. So now in the main game, the black resigns. But let's see what happens if then queen takes bishop checkmate, or if black tries to defend the bishop, then we simply can capture the knight on e7. Either way, it is winning for white. A beginner must be very careful when he selects a certain move. All the moves are very important. A slight mistake expert will just take advantage and you will lose the game. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.